So we are here at the Cashew Fest, and this is our stall number 22, Omya Gelateria. We are into the art of making gelato since the past 7 years. We started this in 2018. We were the first to make a Serradura gelato, local flavors like bibinka. We also do an urrak sorbet in the past 5 years. We make a kokum feni, source everything from local farmers. The mangoes for our mango sorbet, everything is locally sourced, And I had gone to Italy myself to learn how to make this. I came here and did a fusion with the local flavors, and now we have this brand which is a mix of Italian, Indian, Goan, all of that. We're located in Porvorim. Response is excellent. People are loving the Kala Jamun with Feni, our mango, our Serradura. They're loving the gelatos, and it's a great response. It's a great event. As the boost of the cashew economy in general. So it's a benefit for everyone. The event helps us in, to make people aware of our brand, make people aware of, that we exist, that we make a great product, and that we can innovate with any of the thing, with, be it cashew, be it mango, be it anything, be it alcohol, urrak, feni. So we do all of that.
सध्या तुम्ही काजू फेस्टिवल कसा सो सध्या म्हाका तुमच्या हातीन आईस्क्रीम दिसता.
Yes, from Omeo.
ओके कसली फ्लेवर?
It is a Feni, some guava mix.
सो टेस्ट करते किती?
It is tastes like exactly you're drinking the Feni and not eating the ice cream. I really wanted to try the Feni not Feni, Nero. So I really wanted to try Nero over here, but we tried the better to go for the ice cream. So it is exactly tasting like a drinking Nero.
किती दिसले होते ना?
Because cashew is something that is very close to Goa, right? And this is the first time we are attending such a festival. Actually, I'm from Margaon. She's from Saknim. So we work here only, and post working hours we have come here.
सो आम्ही जेन्ना काजू म्हणटा न्ही तेन्ना आमकां काजू बियो, उर्राक, निरो, फेणी इतलेंच खबर आहा पूण हांगासर येता की
Besides this, we came to know there are much more than that Nero, Feni, Hurra, Kaju and whatever. Ambience is too good. In fact, the arrangement are also too good. Even the DJ night, it feels like you are not in the Goa, you're somewhere outside, and we are enjoying. Even though we can see the people outside of the Goa, they also came to know what is the cashew, what is the behind, what is the cashew apple specially.
जावं तुका दिसता हितून कितें एक्स्ट्रा जावचें और तुका अशें
No, it is very beautiful right now, and obviously at night it will be more beautiful. So yeah, and plus so many different people, so many different cultures. It's really beautiful the way it is.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.